Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm so excited to show you my new store, my new updates. I've done a lot of changes and a lot of things are new and it's so much easier to use and better to use. So this jailbreak, this fully loaded Fire Stick will get you free movies, free TV shows, cut the cable bills, no more cable bills, no more Netflix bills. This will get you going fully loaded live TV, sports, HD releases, and all that stuff. Follow me along. We'll jailbreak this under 10 minutes or less, and you're going to get full access. Okay, so follow me along. So on your Fire Stick, the first step you want to do is you want to go to settings right here, and you want to go to my Fire TV or my device. And once there, you see I have developer options. In your instance, maybe you don't have developer options, which is fine. If you don't have developer options, all you have to do is click on that About link right there. You see I have my device name. It says Fire TV. If you're doing this at home, it might say Fire TV 4K Max. It just depends really what device you're on. What you want to do, while the name is highlighted, you want to click on it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he says, no need, you're already a developer, okay? So that means that I'm already a developer, but if you're not a developer, it will tell you now you're a developer. So now if you want to check for the first time if you did this right, if you hit the back arrow, if you have developer options, you did this right, and now it's working. All you have to do is click a few times back, so 1, twice, 3, 4, 5, okay? Get you back to the main menu, and from here, go to Find. Click into the search box right there. Click inside of that search box, and you can use the Alexa voice command right here, or you can just type it in. You want to search for downloader. Downloader by pressing that, or typing it in downloader, okay? That's another option. This will come up, orange, white icon that looks like that. You want to click on that icon. And from here, you want to click on the download button. Now, very important, don't open it up yet. When it downloads and it finishes installing, don't press the open button. We're simply going to press the home button. There's a couple of things we need to do to set this up. Okay, so let's go in here now. After it installs, go to your settings and go to My Fire TV, My Device, and go to Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps right in here. And from here, simply switch the downloader to the on position just like that, okay? Once you do that, hit 1, twice, 3, 4, 5 times back, okay? We'll get you out to the main menu, okay? And now what you want to do, you want to open up the downloader, okay? Press the OK button. Click this highlighted in yellow, click inside of it, and simply put in the following code. 10, okay? I'm going to put in 10381. So 10381, 10381, and then press the go button, okay? By putting this code, it'll say connecting, and you'll see it'll pull up a website, and it'll count down 4 seconds, and without touching anything on my Fire Stick, you should see that Unlinked is installing now, just like this, okay? It's going to connect, and it's going to install it. Now press the install button and press the done button. Don't open it up yet. There's a couple of things we have to do. So let's hit that done button right there, okay? And press the delete, and press the delete button, and press the delete. Now we've successfully installed the downloader application, and we've successfully installed the Unlinked application. Now when I press home, you'll see the Unlinked is here, but let's not open it up yet. There's a couple of things we have to do. Go to settings, go to My Fire TV, go to developer options, and install unknown apps. Click on that and make sure you turn the Unlinked to the on position just like that, okay? Once you do that, hit 5 times back again, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now, before I start Unlinked, I can start it right now, but try to get into my store, it wouldn't work. Internet service providers are blocking content. So we got to go to Find and get around this. Go to Search, get this application, IP Vanish. This one, just type it into the Amazon store, just like that. And I'll explain everything in detail, what's happening and what's going on. Just one word, IP Vanish, highlight it like that and hit search to look for it. Okay, it's going to come up with IP Vanish just like that right here. Click on that. Okay, what's going to happen? You're going to download it. Now, access to the Unlinked application is blocked. If you put in the code that I'm going to give you, you're going to get an error. A lot of people are getting errors. Internet service providers are blocking the Unlinked application. They're also blocking links to movies, TV shows, sports, pay-per-views, and all the updates from the Unlinked application. To get around it, we're going to run a VPN. So install IPVanish, and I'll show you how to get around those blocks very easily, okay? And you're going to get so much more content. You're going to be fully anonymous, fully protected, and being able to stream all that content. Okay, press open up when this installs. This is going to ask you to log in with your own email and password, okay? You can use one account on unlimited devices at home. I use this on 10 Firesticks, iPads, iPhones, all across all my devices. One account will keep you covered. Now, to get your own account, simply scan the barcode here or go to this bit link on your any device or in the pinned comment description. This link is going to get you 82% off. So what I mean by that, the cost of this is less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks or anywhere else. It's less than Netflix. It's a few dollars and change. I believe $2 and change per month. It's going to keep you protected. It's going to get you set up and going to give you all the updates and going to allow you to access the unlinked applications, which has 60 apps, premium apps in the store that been tested and work with IPVanish. Now, to get your own account, simply scan this barcode. You can pause the video if you need to do this. Go to this bit link or in the pinned comment description, you can pause the video, get set up so you'll get to their landing page, choose your package. Once you choose your package, sign up with your email, create your password. You get an email notification from them, confirm your email, and then log in with your email and password. I'm going to log in with my information, but you would log in with yours and then press the login button, and I'll show you the next setup we need for our premium applications and for our unlinked to be able to work. I'll show you the setup in IPVanish. So get that done and let's proceed to the next step, okay? So when you log in at home, it'll look exactly the same with your account information. Now the setup for unlinked, you have to go to the gear icon. We have to say connect on Android startup, okay? Turn off split tunneling if it's on. We don't need that at this moment. Press the back arrow key. Click the location. This is very important. Go to countries and choose United States. So United States all the way at the end. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. Just choose the United States to get the most content and the most links and access to unlinked. Click on United States. Favorite United States. It's going to put a star on it. Click on it again and say connect to United States. It's going to come up with this message. Press OK. And it's going to flicker the screen and you should be now connected and fully ready to go. Okay. There you go. We're connected somewhere in, I believe, Western US is going to be a connection here. And we're fully connected here, okay? There you go. Now, once you do that, press the home button and we're ready to get inside of our unlinked. Just click on it by starting it up and this will come up. You want to press the new library. From here, this will blink. Click inside of this blinking cursor and put in the following code, Firestick lowercase. So that's all we have to put in. Firestick all lowercase, just like that, okay? Put that in and press the next button once you have Firestick lowercase. Okay. Now it's going to come up with this welcome screen. Very important. Take a picture of this welcome screen. This is going to tell you the best application. I update this list every 2 weeks, every month, even every week, depending on the changes. I give you the best applications. This is blurred out on your screen. When you're doing this at home on your Fire Stick, this will be visible. You'll be able to see it on your Fire Stick. And you can take a picture of the best apps and you can install those apps. Don't press the enter button. Once you take a picture of this, simply hit the back arrow and hit the back arrow again to exit. Now we're going to restart Unlinked again by clicking on it. Now you're just going to click on newtech apps just right there, okay? And that's going to come up with my categories. Now you can scroll up and down, left to right to get all those applications. You can also scan this barcode here to get the top list of all the apps you should be getting. And you can scroll up and down, left to right to get those applications and fully load those applications for all that free content, okay? Now, once you find those applications by scrolling up, down, I have the best section for free sports, free live TV, free movies and TV shows. All that section is right below in my store by scrolling down. Now, if you want to get any of those applications, just for presentation purposes, you would click on the application, press the download. This would download the application, and then you would press the install button, and that would install the application, just like that. Install app, and press install again twice. And flickers the screen, it's done. If we wanted to get another application, same process. Scroll up and down, left to right to get all those applications, okay? So I'm gonna hit home, and that's pretty much it. You can go to Unlinked back at any time and get more applications. Just to show you, I was connected to a VPN through this entire process. Look how fast I've loaded the Fire Stick. I jailbroke it so quickly. So once again, if you haven't done in the first step, make sure you get protected, stay anonymous, don't risk getting letters from internet service providers, and get all the updates from Unlinked and continue access Unlinked. Make sure you have all your VPNs on all the time. Make sure you're connected all the time. That setting I showed you, start up the VPN on startup. That will get you the most content and the best setup for all those 60 apps I have in my unlinked store. If you haven't done it, you can scan the barcode here or go to this bit.ly link here. Pinned comment description has a clickable link that will give you 82% off. It's like a latte at Starbucks, minimal cost, $2 and change, okay? That'll get you covered. So that's pretty much it, how you load the Fire Stick. Remember, you can keep the unlinked here. You can go back anytime, get updates, get apps. Now, as long as your VPN is on, it will get you in, no issues, okay? That concludes the video. One last thing I'd ask you for, guys, drop a comment below. I haven't put a 4-digit PIN. I might do that in the future. Some people have been knocking off my content, stealing apps from my store, linking to the apps in my store when I update them, when I look for them. I do all this hard work and people just knock it off. I don't mind for my subscriber and viewers. I haven't put a 4-digit PIN. I might do it in the future. If I do put a 4-digit PIN, the first people are going to hear about it is you guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because I'll release a short video telling you about the new PIN number. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notifications, and also drop a comment below this video. If I do have a 4-digit PIN, I'll also auto reply to all the comments with the new 4-digit PIN if I do that in the future. So simple comment like, hi, what's your favorite sports team, maybe favorite food? Is it sunny? What's the weather? Are you from Chicago? Are you from Detroit? Are you from New York? Just drop a comment. Are you from Miami? Where are you from? Texas? Just drop a comment below. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. All I just need is just your comment, your subscription, your like, and hitting that bell icon will get you sorted. Also, follow me on X if you want updates and things like that first. At the end of the video description is the X link. You can click on that and follow me on X if you're on X. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Appreciate all the support and take care. Have a blessed, beautiful day, and I hope all of you are doing well. And if you're a returning subscriber, you might see this as repetitive content, but don't worry, the unlinked store is updated. If you haven't checked it out in a while, check it out. It's all new. It's all updated. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.